And now on the BBC, we rejoin Hugh Kidney in our London studios for the conclusion of our special edition of Mastermind.
Hello and welcome back to this very special edition of Mastermind as we look to crown who is the most intelligent parrot on YouTube. Official. So, without further ado, let's take a quick look at the leaderboard as it stands. And we can see that in first place is currently shared by Gizmo, Cosmo and Einstein Mark II, all on 16 points tied after completing their second round of general knowledge questions. So, without further ado, let's invite to the mastermind chair our final contestant of the evening, Smurfy. Well, Smurfy, you scored an impressive 10 points in your first round, answering questions on your specialist category, Life and Times of Skippy the Kangaroo. So, let's not delay, shall we? I have to say again that in the event of a tie, the contestant with the least number of passes will be declared the winner. So, your general knowledge questions start now. Known scientifically as Solanum tuberosum, and grown from a plant in the nightshade family, which starchy edible tuber is served traditionally on Sundays with meat and cooked in animal fat.
A rose potato.
Correct. Which animal featured in a 2000 animated adventure comedy film directed by Nick Park and starring Mel Gibson, its plot focusing on Rocky Rhodes and his attempt to escape a farm producing pies.
What's that? A chicken.
Correct. Originally written for the musical Babes in Arms in 1939, which Herb Brown Freed's song was performed to great acclaim by Judy Garland and Mickey Rooney, and then Debbie Reynolds in the 1952 musical Singing in the Rain.
Continue.
Correct. Which country, mainly in the region of Anatolia in West Asia, borders the Black Sea to the north and shares borders with Armenia, Azerbaijan and Iran to the east, Iraq, Syria and the Mediterranean Sea to the south, and Greece and Bulgaria to the west, and is home to over 85 million people?
Turkey.
Correct. What American multinational corporation and technology company headquartered in Silicon Valley produces online services and devices including the iPad, iPhone, Mac and Vision Pro?
Apple.
Correct. Which song by... I've started, so I'll finish. Can feel the tension. Which song by English rock band The Beatles was released in December 1964 and was one of 8 original compositions on their album Beatles for Sale, and was the first song to feature Harrison on the 12-string Rickenbacker electric guitar?
Which doing?
Correct. And that means, after a nail-biting conclusion, that there is a tie for first place. All 4 parrots are as clever and as intelligent as each other.
It's big rubbish.
I'm sorry?
It's big rubbish. What's doing?
I'm sorry? I'm a professional. I can't cope with this. Seriously, take us off air. Cut.